Where are you from?
I am from Philippines.
Ah,
Where are you from,
very.
baby?
I'm from Italy.
Italy, oh my God.
Yeah.
Italy. Italy ka ba?
Do you like Do you like Italy?
Yes, I like Italy. I have a pick up mind to you.
Okay, okay.
Okay, this is my pick up mind. Italy ka ba? Are you Italy?
Yeah.
You say why? Are you Italy?
What are you Italy?
This is pick up mind. Pick up mind. You
Sergio?
say when I was asking, are you Italy? You say why?
I don't understand.
Oh, me too. What's your name?
My name?
Yes,
Sergio.
Sergio. Oh my God. How how
Yeah.
how 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 tall are you?
What?
How tall are you?
Told.
Can you stand up? Are you 5'6", 5'7", 7'8", 9"? Oh my God,
Okay.
you're so tall.
Do you like only? No, sorry. Do you speak only English?
No, I'm I am a graduated in nebulizer, so I can speak English, Spanish,
Italian?
Brazilian.
Italian?
Yes, I can speak Spanish, English, Brazilian, and
No Italian.
and yes, Italian.
And speak
I have
Italian. Come on, speak Italian.
Italian, Italian. Uh, oh my God, sorry because my brain
Ah,
tumor
okay.
is
Okay,
later
okay.
action. But I can speak a lot of language.
What is your job?
My job, I'm call
Yeah,
center agent.
I am a dancer. I am a dancer.
You're a dancer?
Yes.
Oh my God. Can you show me your dance?
Now?
Yes. So it's your choice if you dance now or tomorrow or next year or you will take out your dance. Why? Your dance is will
Tomorrow,
not take out or dine in.
tomorrow
Oh,
I dance with you. Okay?
now, can you dance sample? Can you
Now?
dance right now because the MMDA is we are check your dance, okay?
No, tomorrow in this time.
Now, why? What is the difference and tomorrow and now?
It's a big difference.
Why? Tell me.
Um, because now I'm going in the uh, at
Yes, I
dance.
know. Tomorrow is additional day.
Uh, I have a difficult. I
Your,
speak English a little bit.
oh my God, your English is not good.
It's not good.
Oh my
I
God.
speak I speak
You need
Italian
to,
and English little.
oh my God, you're so not flexible person. Yes, so I think your brain is we have a diabetic because you don't speak English properly. So if you own your own self, you have a property to speak
When
English. stand up and can you dance? Give me a sample. Because the MMD is we have a examination for your dance or FDA approved or we have a registration.
You registration?
Yes, I need to see your dance. Okay, show me. I will dance to you. You don't dance.
Come on.
Like that's something. Tila ako'y nahulog sa langit. Talaibon kong lumipad. Sa dalangan ko'y nababalo. Can you dance?
Move your body. Move your body. Move your body.
You dance Talaibon by Sarah.
Move your body.
Talaibon kong lumipad. Tala. Oh my God. You're so dialect.
Move your body.
Okay.
Okay?
Oo. Like that. Follow me. Oh, kalma. Tugudug, tugudug, tug, 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 tug. Oh, kalma. 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 Yes, like that.
What is this?
That is kalbag. Kaldag. Kalma. Yeah. Tugudug, tugudug, tug, 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 tug. Oh, kalma. 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 Can you dance puta ka? Napapahiya ako.
Hi and you. Come on.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go.
And this,
Okay,
this,
Oh,
and this.
wow. Okay, can you show me? One more.
Go. 1.
One,
Show
2,
on the.
Oh,
Yes. And 3. Whoa.
Oh. Perfect.
I don't have a music now.
Okay, I will play music.
You is a singer.
Yes, I'm single. Hello,
Oh.
sorry. Can you play music? Sorry, Coco. Hello, sorry.
Follow me, please.
Oh my God, series and out of coverage right now. I think no signal.
Ooh. Okay.
Okay. One.
Oh.
1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 5 little monkey, Humpty Dumpty. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, pagbilang kong 3, nakatago na kayo. Kayo po na nakaupo, subukan yung tumayo. I wanna be a tutubi, putang ina mo. Yo, come on. Ako'y tahimik lang sa umpisa, kahit hindi mo ako pilitin. Meron kang lemon o rosmar. Rosmar, pagising sa umaga, ako ang nakikita. O, kalma. Are you finished?
I'm tired.
You're tired. Oh my
Finish.
God. You have a lot. You have a 3-step. You're tired.
What?
You have a 3-step. You're tired.
Now.
And this is my rabbit.
I am beauty.
This is my rabbit, Jessica.
Oh, love, Jessica.
Yes. She is beautiful.
No.
She has graduated in Latigo 50.